Alright, so what happens when you have data that is obtained from physically counting in comparison to actually measuring? Well, if you physically counted something, then what you're going to do for evaluation is a chi-square test. And the first type of chi-square test is used for whenever we are looking at a theory and we're counting based off of a theory. And the really only time that this is used in biology is whenever we're evaluating Mendel's theory of genetics. And that will be something that we'll be doing later on. We have our observed counted. This is what we physically counted from the individuals, and then we have our expected counted. Now that expected is going to come from another equation, which, like I said, will be learned whenever we cover genetics. But the chi-square test is fairly easy, and you can see how it goes. We press in the equal sign, and it is chi-test. And we want the actual range, so we're going to highlight our red and our white, what we actually had, and we're going to compare it to what was expected. Close the bracket and hit enter. And what we get is 53%. What does that tell you? Well, according to the chi-square, we're looking for, when we're talking about evaluating a theory, anything being greater than the 5%, then we're going to say that we trust, or that the data does agree with the theory. Anything less than 5% is saying that it does not agree with the theory. And we do need to be careful about this number, because if it gets higher than 80%, then that suggests that there may have been some bias.